This one na Z word extraordinary. The kind things wey dey happen for India, e dey shock me. E get one Indian bride wey dey call Surabi. This lady die on her wedding day. The thing wey come over shock me na, as this person die on that wedding day, the wedding no cancel o. These people still continue this party. Indian people, na so una dey do? Una no go even respect say person die on her wedding day, make una cancel this party, una come continue with this party. This whole matter, they talk say this girl and her husband, they don already, you know say India, they sabi do their wedding na for 5 days, abi how many days? They don already start preparations. Now the day wey she wan take her vows, as she and her husband they go round that their thing where they go round, now there this woman just fall down. Now so people rush go meet this woman, say what's it? In fact, doctors even dey the place, but as they go check am, they say this woman don die o. They can't go do test, they can't see and say this woman don die of heart attack. Heart attack, na the preparations of the wedding na kill her, be the way they plan the things na kill her. The one wey come over shock me, they can't say make this man marry in younger sister. In younger sister, when no be say woman don't finish for the world. If let's say these people they won't manage rice and the things where they cook, now make they carry this wedding give another person. Person wey no know this man from anywhere before, now come carry na younger sister. They talk say as the thing be na, the girl family and the man family they come sit down together think and say make the guy kuku marry this girl. And over here reach. This one I never, this one go be Z word film. I sure say na one of their film they can't act them as real life, because I don't know say this kind of thing they happen no. If no before this news, why they hear them? I never hear say this kind of thing fit happen reach for life. This girl now, what it, she can't wear this in sister wey die. The cloth where she wear for her wedding, she go come pull am, come give another new bride. You self, you know they fear say person wey wear this cloth just die inside this cloth. You come collect the cloth, say you won't go marry the husband. Hey, shame dey on her body. Una sabi do things. See all these Indian people, as na they do for film, so na they do for real life. And all these Hausa people, these people and Hausa people, let's say they be neighbors, because Hausa people self, now like this, some of them self they behave. Now, well, which kind of thing be this kind one now? At least make na allow the dead rest. Make na bury her finish. Now they say they put the dead body inside one room, come carry the new bride self inside another room. India, e dey on her body. To fear kwafona. If now so people they do, now wow, as it be like this, now here I go end this matter. Anything way na this kind of tradition, it makes sense. And they feel say it no even make sense at all. But maybe now so they do it for their own place. So, but anything way I feel about this matter, making a write them for the comment section. Then make now don't forget to like or share and subscribe to this channel. As I go see you now for our next video.